Welcome to this week's edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. A large-scale study involving over 1.2 million children reveals that SARS-CoV-2 infection increases cardiovascular risks even in those without congenital heart defects. Conditions like hypertension, myocarditis, and arrhythmias appear post-COVID, underlining the need for long-term cardiac monitoring in pediatric care. In Europe, the Edwards Sapien M3 mitral valve has received CE mark approval. This is the world's first transfemoral mitral valve replacement designed for patients with moderate to severe mitral regurgitation who are not surgical candidates. Its innovative docking system is expected to reduce regurgitation and improve quality of life. Researchers at Rutgers have developed a novel AI tool that transforms standard ECG readings into synthetic heart motion maps. This method enables earlier detection of heart dysfunction and has been shown to reduce the need for echocardiograms by more than 60%. The tool is scalable, cost-effective, and validated across clinical environments. A new meta-analysis underscores the life-saving potential of CPAP therapy for obstructive sleep apnea patients. The study reports a 37% reduction in all-cause mortality and a 55% drop in cardiovascular deaths among CPAP users. These findings highlight the critical importance of therapy adherence. Finerenone continues to show promise in cardiovascular care. The medication lowered the risk of atrial fibrillation by 17% in patients with heart failure, chronic kidney disease, or diabetes. The benefits were especially pronounced among Asian populations, reinforcing its role in managing cardio-kidney metabolic syndrome. In the US, Terumo has launched QFR 3.0, a cutting-edge diagnostic platform for coronary assessment. This software enables rapid, non-invasive coronary flow analysis in catheterization labs. With FDA clearance and strong clinical backing, it is designed to improve diagnostic precision and streamline decision-making. A reusable nanobiosensor now offers high-sensitivity detection of cardiac troponin I, a key biomarker of acute myocardial infarction. Utilizing QDS-SPIN aptamer technology, this sensor achieves fast, specific, and stable results through a turn-on fluorescence mechanism and magnetic separation. It holds strong potential for use in point-of-care diagnostics. Three leading cardiovascular societies, HFSA, the Heart Failure Association of the ESC, and the Japanese Heart Failure Society have issued a joint statement redefining heart failure classification. The consensus moves away from static ejection fraction thresholds and instead emphasizes EF trajectories. It also highlights universal therapies such as SGLT2 inhibitors and calls for more refined diagnostic approaches. Finally, Mount Sinai researchers have updated their AI model to enhance early detection of hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. The new system assigns probabilistic risk scores to individual patients, improving triage and clinical decision-making. This marks another step toward integrating AI seamlessly into real-world cardiology workflows. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.